Today, I'm gonna go try something I've never tried before. I located a place that has snake soup. So, I'm gonna walk over there and try some snake soup and show you guys what it's like. Okay, I think I've located the shop because I see a snake on the sign. That's must be the signal that that's where the snake soup is. Right here. This is it. Hello? Snake soup? Soup? Oh yeah, snake. Okay, yes. All right, guys, a little language barrier, but I'm gonna try some snake soup. Okay, 52 Hong Kong dollars. So divide that by 7 something. I don't know. It's gonna be like $5-6 for snake soup. I gotta try it, right? Never had snake soup before, so gotta try it. It looks like hot and sour soup, you know, from the Chinese restaurants in America. That's what it looks like, hot and sour soup. But the meat in it, you know, before it was pork in the hot and sour soup. Oh, Lord, kapun kap, yes. Okay, snake. Okay, so that's it. So the restaurant's called Si Wang Pong, and this smells pretty good. Looks like it's mostly snake meat and mushrooms in a thick, gelatinous type of broth. They gave me this other broth to taste too. I'll get back to the taste of that in a minute. Let me try this. Kind of just a beefy flavor. The snake meat is, it's hard to describe. It's almost like pork, but like softer. It kind of falls apart a little bit. Kind of chewy, kind of like stringy. Comes apart like that stringy pork. But pretty good. But I'm gonna add a little juice to it. See this hot? Yeah. I'll put a little chili oil. What is this? A little white pepper. Chili oil, white pepper. They got some sort of seasoning. I don't know what that is. I'll kick it up a little notch here. I find that a lot of the food here requires the chili oil because it's bland. It's not like I'm used to spice in Thailand. This is all pretty bland. So you just add that chili oil and it gives it a nice kick. Oh yeah. Pretty good, guys. Well, damn, I should have brought some toothpicks because I got all kinds of snake meat. It's so like stringy, stuck in my teeth. Damn it, I'm gonna have to get some dental floss or something. But was pretty good. Kind of was like that consistency of hot and sour soup. Didn't taste like that, and I thought snake noodle soup. It was just snake soup, snake and mushrooms. That's what was in it. I put that chili oil in it and the pepper, and it was good. It kind of reminded me, like I said, hot and sour soup. Just didn't have that sour aspect. Got a little hot once I spiced it up. Highly recommend it. Get you some snake soup. On to the next adventure. Another thing I've noticed walking around here, so I did a search for coffee, and in this like densely populated Chinese area here, you can see all the apartments and everything. No coffee shops. I got to go to the business area, the other side of the railroad to get coffee. And then I'm gonna jump on the subway. See, pretty residential over here. You know, that's where the good food's gonna be. That's what I'm all about. So much good food.